Anything we hook right here, we're gonna have to land in heavy current. Oh my goodness, that's a nice trout too. Woo! Oh yeah, we could lose this fish. He's way downriver. In the heavy current, like I said. Just gonna have to let him do his thing, I guess. Welcome back, fisher folk. So first things first, I'm a fishing guide on this river. If this looks like a good time to you, my email, trying to point down, my email is in the description. Hit me up, we'll catch some fish. Anyway, I'm out on the Deschutes. We're fly fishing for trout. This is my second time out here this week. Today's Thursday. I was also out on Monday. It was insanely good on Monday. But the weather was much better and warmer. And right now, in the relatively early season, I want warm weather because it gets those trout feeding. So, don't know how it's gonna be today. Hopefully, we're still gonna crush. So, let's get into it. Woo-wee! Woo-wee! That's a good one, folks. Right out the gate here. And we crushed in this spot not last week, like 4 days ago. So, oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Okay. Man, I might go get a video of this fish. I've got a great spot for it, and I need to stock up on some content for my Instagram here. I've been pretty lax about it, so. Okay. We're gonna take a little photo of this fish. Come on, big girl. Yeah. Beautiful. Nice, we're off. Nice. Dude, Deschutes trouts are jumpers. So, I saw another guy, a YouTuber, Prolific Northwest. If you're watching this, good stuff. He was talking about what makes Deschutes trout cool. And he called them stocky, and I was like, you know what? That is the perfect description, because they don't necessarily get as long as fish in other places, but they are heavy and they are strong. I mean, sometimes you run into ones that are like a little beat up from spawning, competing with so many other fish, or getting caught, but a good one like this is like pound for pound, just a monster. Okay, so what I'm thinking I'm gonna do today, guys, that first fish I caught on the Indy, now we've switched to the Euro. What I'm thinking I'm gonna do today, guys, is that on Monday, I really enjoyed not counting fish. And then when I was editing through wading through all the clips, I really enjoyed finding out how many fish I caught. So I'm thinking I won't count fish today, but I'm gonna keep like a counter on the screen as I go. So, let me know if you guys like that idea or if that's just, I don't know, a little too much. But it was fun for me to count them up afterwards, so I'm gonna give that a try. There we go. Little one. Whoa. When you're fishing in big water like this, like I said, they're stocky. And the little ones pull hard, especially when you're in the heavy water. Sick. There we go. Okay, onward and upward. There we go. Woo. That's a real trout too. Finally, 3 times I've fished this spot now. Nice, right into the net. Sweet. Still rolling. Still rolling today. And finally the smolt are like out of here, and now, lo and behold, I catch trout. Got a real fish on this time. Maybe a whitefish, big one. Whoever this is like staying down. Taking me for a ride though. I think it's a trout. Nope, whitefish. Yeah, fighting like a whitefish. Just going down. Oop, just bonked into the net. It's a good one though. We like that. Dude. Hold still, buddy. So for the fish count, I am counting whitefish. I'm not counting smolt. There we go. Woo! Took us a while to find our next trout. If we hadn't found one in this stretch, I was gonna be a little worried for the rest of the day. Since this spot fished so well on Monday, I would have been like, man, it's not fishing now. Less than a week later, I guess it might have been the day. Nice. Another nice one. This is what we're here for. Bang. Such a tough little spot to fish where that fish just came out of. There we go. Didn't mean to catch that fish, but we'll take him. It's another trout. I mean, I meant to catch him, but I was just dilly-dallying in the moment that I did catch him. Whitefish. I have no idea how many fish I'm at, but that's another one for the tally. Oh guys, we got the double trout. Wow. Okay, we've landed 50% of them. Oh, we've unlanded them. Oh, yeah, baby. Woohoo! That's when the Descahooties is fishing real good. 2 at once. Damn. Yeah, we can't complain about that. 1 for the carrot, 1 for the jig leech, which I have a tying video on both of them. Uno. Freedom. Dos. There we go. There we go. I guess I'll net him. There we go. I bet this car is gonna stop and watch me. Hate that. You're not hooked anymore. Whoop. Oh, fuck. There we go. If this is a trout on, it's a beast. Oh yeah, that's a trout. Not even that beastly. Just thick set. Ugh, there we go. Pulling a little drag for me. I have my drag set the lightest I've had it set in years. Honestly, just so I can practice letting fish run a little, so that when I have a big fish and I need to let them run, I'm more used to it. My apologies if the camera is blurry, guys. I did take a little tumble. Got sat down on my ass. Always the dumb spots that I end up falling over, you know? Oh, nice. Who do we got here? It's taking me for a ride over back, woo, towards the water I fished already, which is what we like. See, that's what I'm trying to practice not doing, is he's not ready to be done, but a lot of times like this, look, I'll just pull him up on the surface of the water and just land him, just because I can like that, because I'm fishing 3X, so this fish is just not heavy enough to be a problem. But then when a fish is big enough to be a problem, my only move is just overpower them and pull them in, when I end up popping a lot of hooks doing that. I don't even break them off, I just pop hooks. Just rip them out of mouths. That one's a nice one too. Sick. That one's a nice one. And another one gone. Come on in. There we go. Beautifully done. And another one. There we go. Nice. Another sweet one. This is the epitome of Deschutes trout fishing, where you're just crushing. Good quality fish, tons of them. Well, that's gonna hook up. Or not. Or yes. Woo-wee. That's a beautiful one. That's a really cool fish. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. We love to see. Oh, I guess he wasn't quite ready yet. Now you ready, bud? Yeah. Nice. That one is awesome. Psyched about that fish. Certainly not the longest fish we've seen today, but this fish has just got, look at that big mature head, beautiful red band. So cool. Oh, that's money right there. Oh, this cast is where the big fish lives. Or not. Yeah. Yeah, baby, I told you that's where the big fish lives. Woo! Woo! Oh yeah, baby, let's go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude, this fish has it all right here. You ready? You ready, big girl? Oh, nope. I thought she was ready. Now are we ready? Nope, not quite. Not quite. Yeah, we're ready now. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah, dude. That is actually a beast. That is actually a beast right there. Yeah, that's a beefy fish. Let's see if I can't get a measurement on her. Is she gonna crack 15? Oh my God, surely she is. Yeah, almost 16. Wow. There we go. There's our 15 for the day. You guys have heard me say it before on the Deschutes. I think 15 is the mark for a big fish. And I'm trying to get at least 115 every time I come out. That's generally my goal. Fish of the day right there for sure. How fucking pleasing. I am very satisfied with myself right there. I said, that's where the big fish lives, and then that's where the big fish lives. Love it when I'm understanding the fish that well, reading the water that well. Also, that's where I usually catch the big fish in this run, so there is that too. Past experience. Nice. There we go. Yeah, I'm kind of at a point, like it's, oh, yeah, look at that, man. It's already about noon 30, must be a little later now. That's when it was, what it was last time I was in the car, which was recently. And I have in the past, when I've caught one fish here, caught multiple. So it's definitely plausible. But I'm kind of in a mood where I kind of want to fish like all the water. I'm kind of psyched. So I'm gonna have to keep the pace rolling, because unfortunately there's so much water out here. There's probably more than I can fish in one day. Almost certainly there is. Come on, man. Ridiculous. Okay, I guess this is gonna be a two-handed operation here. There we go, beautiful. Okay, now it's time for some detangling. And another one. We unhook. Quick look for the camera. Bloop. And another one. Jig leech. Honestly, the carrot and the jig leech are probably going like 50-50. Streak of little ones though. Except for that one down there, that was decent. Cool off there, trout. There we go. Oh, and another one. That's three in the same, basically the same spot. Oh, it's coming to me. It's coming to me. Okay, get in the net. There we go. That one's big enough to net. Man. Chill out there, trout. Okay, you're unhooked. Quick look for the camera. Whoop. That one was camera shy. Difficult waiting right here. This spot is a beast. Oh, fuck. Just for reference, if you come on a guided trip with me, will not fish this spot because it's just too difficult to wade. I don't take clients in anything. I'll say dangerous. For me, I wouldn't consider this dangerous because I'm great at swimming and I'll just stand back up. But a lot of people, if they got knocked over right here, who knows how far they're getting swept. You know what I'm saying? And boy, is it easy to fall over right here. Oh, shit. Just every rock is fucking huge. Every time you put your foot down, you're just... Oh, I think there's a hole right in front of me. If my memory serves, I've waded this so many times. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a hole between me and the bank right here. I guess I'll go for a little swingy. Go for a little swing. We'll use this log. Big step across. Yeah, baby. Woo, we made it. No problems. Dude, whoa. Oh no, he's tangled up. That's a pretty good one too. Landed. Man, I wasn't even fishing. I was just getting ready. My flies were just dangling in the water. You don't even have to be fishing to catch them right now. That's not true. They're never easy, but I mean, they're kind of easy though, right now. But what I mean by that is a lot of times I'll see people comment on my videos, or I'll talk to people and like they're not catching that many fish. You know, the Deschutes isn't that easy. If you know how to do it and they're hungry, you can really put numbers up, but like you guys are seeing right now. But I mean, I fish here usually at least once a week, or once a week, almost every week of the year. In the summer, I fish a good amount more than that. So that's, oh, I'm glad I got that back. That's what I mean by it both is and isn't hard, or isn't easy. Whoop. Man, at this pace, guys, I'd say we've got a shot at another 15-inch fish today. It's not impossible. Yeah, we got a big one. Oh, yeah. Oh! Dude, this fish is beefy as they come. It's not the longest fish, but you can just feel. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. I wasn't ready. He came in all. Oh! Woo! Oh my God, guys. This is like, wow. We are having a banger day right now. No two. Oh, I don't have my phone on me. Oh, fuck, the hook is in my finger. Only fair to get hooked sometimes, honestly, if you're gonna hook the fish. Wow. Oh my God, that is such an Instagram fish right there. Fuck. But it's just been too rainy and too wet. I'm getting soaked. I just was like, I shouldn't have my phone on me. Wow, guys. Look at that specimen. Oh, I think he's gonna be right about 15. Oh, look at the size of that fish. Holy fuck. Dude, that's a 14-inch fish. It's only a 14-inch fish. Insane. So that's what I meant earlier in the video where they get chunky, dude. That is a trophy fish. That is a straight up trophy, and it was 14 inches. Bananas. We're on him. This one's going insane. Not but 3 forecasts later. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is why the Deschutes is a world-class fishery. This is what people come here for. Oh my God. Just as fat as the last one, just a little smaller. Holy fuck, guys. Maybe I'll turn this into 2 videos. I mean, it's certainly 2 videos worth of fish. Maybe I'll nix the counting idea and just cut out the small ones.
I actually did go ahead and cut out about 5 to 10 of the small ones just to keep the video a reasonable length.
Wow, boy, am I glad I decided to come up here. I almost skipped this bit because it's super unreliable. But everything is fishing good right now, and when this stretch fishes, boy, it can really fish. So I was like, I'm gonna take the chance. And if those are the only 2 fish I catch, it more than paid off. Wow. Okay, that means we're about to really take our time through here and work every little corner. Oh, that was a fish. And that's what I love Euro nymphing for. I know this run so well. Like, I know where the rocks are. I've got my polarized sunglasses. Like, it's so fun to work every little edge. We about to have a good ass time, folks. And we were having such a horrible day before this. Okay, took the jig leech because I put the stonefly back on just to see if it's fishing, because I feel like it's kind of not fishing, which is weird. I would expect it to be fishing right now. So I like fishing really heavy flies, so it gives me 2 real heavy flies. And I know the jig leech is working a charm, so I don't mind risking having 1 fly that isn't working. Okay, that one took the stonefly. Good data. Little one. Blip. Snail. There we go. Woo! Woo! This fish crazy. Nice. Yeah, I took that stone back off, put the carrot back on, and what do we have here? A carrot eater. Barely hooked too. Sweet. Man, ladies and gentlemen, what a fabulous day so far. Showing no signs of slowing down either, man. With this kind of fishing, I think we might be out here for a while, because I'm just having so much fun. This is an absolute ball. Yeah, I guess that's about all I have to say. Problem with using this mono line and catching so many fish and setting the hook so much, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's wearing a cut right into the crease of my finger there. And now, when I set the hook, it's starting to really hurt. Having to be careful about where I seat that line now. I should really bring some kind of like water-resistant tape or something. There we go. That's a fat fish. Oh yeah, it's even better than I thought. Woo! That is a fat trout. Nice. Yeah, dude, we are racking up the quality fish. Let's go. It's like 3 p.m. already though. I'm running out of day. I'm wishing it was like 10. Yeah, that's a sick one. Whoop, she's gone. Sorry, I don't think you guys got a good look, but oh well. Just like almost everywhere. Sick. Whoop. They're out there in that heavy stuff, man. They feel huge when they're in it. That fish is tiny. Dude, he's not tiny, but I mean, bigger than smolt, but he's pretty tiny. Fish was out there in the heavy stuff. Boop. Wow, that's where we hook one. A pretty good one. Right up in the shallow stuff. Whew. Nice. And that's yet another win for the people right there. I'm getting real sweaty working up through this. This is hard wading and hard work. all these rocks that I'm in are big, and every step is a fight. There we go. Whoa! Woo! Oh, how is this fish so strong? Nice. Nice. Closing in on the end of the day here, folks. Just because I want to get home. Look at that. Sweet. And I'm starting to get tired. Anything we hook right here, we're gonna have to land in heavy current. Oh my goodness, that's a nice trout too. Woo! Oh yeah, we could lose this fish. He's way downriver. In the heavy current, like I said. Just gonna have to let him do his thing, I guess. Wow, this is an awesome fish. Come on back. Dude, that current is just so heavy. Honestly, this fish, I'm a little worried about dragging him across the surface. Oh yeah, come on. Oh no. He's not quite ready yet. Oh boy. Oh boy, stay down, stay down, stay down. Swim back up here. Oh no, he's dragging. Oh, I might have to go get him. Come on, swim up, swim up, swim up, swim up. Yeah, swim up, swim up. Okay, we're gonna do this. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh my God. What a specimen. We are getting so spoiled today. Try and get these flies out of here. Man, that is a thick fish. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, and we're hooked up to another one. While I was releasing that one, now we have our next fish. Don't even have to make another cast. We're already hooked up. Dude, this is how the shoot should be. You guys should be out here. I mean, literally 2 fish in 1 cast right there. Look at that. Ridiculous. The fishing is on fucking point. There we go, another one. Well guys, it's been an incredible day, and I am officially declaring the Deschutes open for business for the season for sure. The trout are feeding in the riffles, so get out here and get on them if you can. Yeah, that was incredible. I mean, we caught so many fish today. I'll be really curious what the count is when I get home. A lot of good big fish too. Yeah, there's really nothing else to be asked for. So yeah, that was pretty sweet. If that looked like fun, reminder, I'm a fly fishing guide. Hit me up. Otherwise, do me a huge favor, like, comment, and especially subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video.